dignified exit there. Guys, it's Car Week. Welcome to the ISSIMI house. Let me show you around.
If you're an automotive enthusiast, you can't escape it. Monterey Car Week is the Super Bowl for any car lover. I've been coming for the past 20 years and watched it grow from a Thursday through Sunday event to a full week filled with a plethora of shows, races, parties, unveilings, and so much more. It all gets a bit hectic out there, but here at the ISSIMI house, it's relaxed, quiet, and best of all, like-minded enthusiasts are conversing about extremely special cars. One of those special cars is the Eccentrica Diablo Resto Mod. ISSIMI hosted their team for the week where they allowed VIPs and the influential of the world to sit passenger with founder Emanuele Colombini. We also housed a series of spectacles like our 190e Evo 2, to our Lancia Hyena, to our incredibly rad Lancia 037 rally car, Kega Porsche Resto Mods, and many others. The vibe is always incredibly chill, and there's almost always a surprise guest lurking around.